Welcome to Pro.Fit International. Pro.Fit International is introducing the all-new iPhone holder and bike mount for 2011. With a rich history of producing mounting solutions with a professional fit, the new bike mount is simple, rugged, and performance-ready. This new mount is low profile and it's designed to be attached to nearly any stem or handlebar. The clean, aerodynamic styling keeps your bike looking smart, while the mount and holder provide a snug, secure, and stable platform for your iPhone. Featuring the integrated safety strap, the holder positions your iPhone at your fingertips, making it perfect for fitness apps, mapping, or GPS functions. The new 2011 iPhone holder and mount is available for either the iPhone 3G, 3GS, or the iPhone 4. So, whether you're hammering out solo, pushing the limits in a group ride, or cruising down a lazy trail, we want to make sure that your iPhone stays with you, no matter what kind of pavement, potholes, or trails you may endure. Remember, have fun, follow the rules of the road, and ride responsibly. And ask for the new 2011 iPhone holder and bike mount by Pro.Fit International.